Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 15th of October 2018, start of a new trading week. This is just my daily video where I go over what I've done this morning on the high probability and the mod MACD methods on the daily charts only. So fairly quiet start to the week. Let's have a look at the charts. The only issue was there's a bit of gapping on some of the pound pairs, which you'll probably see in a second. So we've got the high probability daily ones first up. Euro pound, as you can see, there's a big sort of gap on the upside here. I've taken a new buy this morning, not overly excited by it. It's only a low risk, 0.5% risk on this trade. Stops in place with the red dotted line. You can see prices come down, MACD has not. So divergence, regular bullish divergence there. MAs are pretty tight and flat, so quite comfortable taking a trade to the upside, but it's just not ideal setup in my books, but we'll see how it goes. There's plenty of wiggle room. It's a long way below the MACD level, zero level. CHF, Japanese yen, Swiss yen, in a sell here this morning. There's a new blue dot on the MACD platinum below the zero level. So all I've done is brought my stop on the sell right down, tighten it up. So the stop's now at 114.318. So it's looking good. Already starting to draw trend lines in, looking for a possible buy trade to the upside. So just move my stop down in the sell trade. Pound New Zealand, another one that gapped a bit on the open on the weekend. Took a new sell this morning. You can see it's similar to the Euro pound, just obviously the opposite because it's pound's the leading currency on this pair. So we've got higher highs on price, lower highs on MACD platinum, so regular bearish divergence there. Looking to trade back down, it's high risk trade. MAs are up, so the trend's up. We're counter trend trading here, looking to go back towards the MAs at least. That's pound New Zealand. I'll just switch over the profile to the mod MACD. Where is it? There it is. In the meantime, we'll have a quick look at the demo account, FX Pro, which we're running. So you can always pause this video or stop it and have a look at where we're at on all this. It's just information on actually the high probability. Here's the open trades, $246 open. There's the equity, you can see it down there. Margin levels, etc. You can see all the open trades. There's the new trades taken this morning, the pound New Zealand and the euro pound, and both of them gone against us already. It's the usual story. Alright, let's go back. There's only one thing on the mod MACD this morning. That was a Euro CAD, took a new buy. Now, I was thought about this one for a little while, and I did take it because the signal's valid. We've got obviously a confirmed cross through the fast MACD, which is the most important part. It's a high risk because we're going towards a 240 LMA, and we had I'll just move this out of the way. We had a bit of a big bearish, well, not big, but a bearish candle on Friday, and that sort of threw me a little bit. Price has gone up. We've got a green QMP filter dot. It's closed the other day above 25 SMA. The standard MACD is in buy mode, but it's not looking convincing. But there's enough criteria met for me to take this buy trade. And so this morning, took the buy trade in a nutshell. It's not a look at that. I wouldn't be overly confident in this trade, but it's a signal and I'm taking it. That's about it, guys. All fairly quiet start to the week. As I said, a few gaps on those pound pairs. That's about it. Nothing else really to report. I've had a quick look at the news. Most of it's just retail sales this week. But there is some high impact, I think even unusual for a Monday, but I think there's even high impact news out of the US today, which is very unusual for the US. But so be on your toes. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. If nothing else, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Cheers.